Hey folks, how you doing? Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Just giving you a little morning update on the market since we had this big gap down here. So as you can see here, one of the things with this Greek news is that the market itself is had a gap down, and we're actually starting to see some follow through on the downside. After we gapped down, we popped into the 9 EMA, and now we're starting to just get back to the low of days. And so you're starting to see a lot of the stocks follow the same type of pattern. So a couple stocks that we're watching. I'm short some of this C-Trip right now at 71.38. I just have a few hundred shares left. I had 500 at 71.38. I got a couple hundred left. And SRPT, JD, JMEI, these are all some stocks that we've been shorting this morning. We took this SRPT at the open. It had a really nice flush, and then there was a secondary play in it that I actually missed. But it looks like it's going to break low of day. I wouldn't be shorting any here, but you can see this daily chart is really, really extended. So when you get a market that gaps down like this, one of the things that you want to do is look for these type of extended stocks that'll have some follow through, and then you can hammer it even right at the open, usually on like a green to red. If you find one that's green, you hit it on the green to red and you'll get some really, really nice follow through. So it's just something to kind of keep an eye on. A couple other stocks that we're watching over here, for potentials. If the market starts to bounce, I'm looking at this WUBA, which is a Chinese stock that's really been down like 9 days in a row. It's really oversold, and it held this kind of 60 support over here, and you're starting to see it kind of round up over here. And so, if it can hold this area later into the day and the market starts to run, we may see a squeeze in it. It's too late to short something like that. Obviously, if it cracked this base over here, it'd probably get down to the low of day. But when a daily chart's so oversold like this, you really don't want to be shorting oversold stocks. That's just a big, big no-no. But a couple other ones that I am watching is this SGYP. So I really like this one for a long. It's holding this 8 level really well. Like it at the open, it cracked below it for a hot second, and then it just jumped right back over it. I think that's really, really important that this support level holds. If it does, you can see here you're kind of rounding up, and so if it can go green and really start taking out some levels, you'll see you'll see something hot in this one. But it's got a little bit more backing and filling to do, but it's getting there. I really like it. On days like this, when you have a big market gap down, you really want to, trade things quick. And if you can't lose money, right? If you don't have money to lose, these aren't the days to really trade. Sit there and make a watch list. Like, one of the things I used to do when I was a newer trader was on these nasty days where I can't figure out like what's happening with the market. What I would do is I'd make a coulda, woulda, shoulda like watch list of, hey, if the market gets down to the 200-day moving average, it gets really oversold, I want to be looking at these names. Or if the market does this, I want to be looking at these type of names. And I'd just be refining my watch list, and that will be just really helpful so that when the market does what I need it to do and the conditions are better, I can have a watch list and I don't have to go around scrambling for stuff. A lot of things that happen with newer traders is that, when the market structure changes, they're scrambling for ideas, and that's what causes mistakes. And so having a ready to go watch list of what you're going to do and when will really take a lot of thinking out of it when the market conditions improve, and that'll be a huge help. So guys, I trade like this. This is my trading platform, and you'll see me literally trade live all day on our Bulls Vision program, which is I'm on video and screen shared. So I'm calling out the plays live as I do it, but I also have my trading platform up. So, you'll get to actually see me, enter these orders in and really see how I organize my day. And you can see we had an okay morning, and we're hoping for a little bit more. But, no reason to force things when the market's like this. We'll take what we can get. But this is what we do on our Bulls Vision. And for those of you guys that have never traded before, we're running a 60-day long trading boot camp that starts July 14th. Email me if you guys have any questions on it. But this class takes you from A to Z on everything I know about trading. And we have a month of coursework And then we have a month of trade reviews where I actually go through every single one of the trades I make every day. We dissect them so you guys can really see the mechanics behind a good trade. And then we put our students on trading simulators and we watch you trade to see if you're picking up what you learned in class. And we'll help you fine tune your results and your strategies. And then hopefully from there, you guys will be ready to trade live. And we're partnered with a really interesting hedge fund where a lot of our students trade that you may be able to get into if you qualify. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys soon.